Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What year did the first season of Big Brother premiere in the United States? (2000). What is the primary setting for the Big Brother show? A house. What term is used to describe the audience's ability to vote someone out of the house? Eviction. How many house guests typically start in the Big Brother house at the beginning of a season? (16). What is the grand prize awarded to the winner of Big Brother? $500,000. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.